And in today's video, I'm going to show you the exact proposal that I had sent about 6 months back. And currently this project yields about 5 lakhs or so per month to me on an average, excluding taxes. And I'm very excited to show this to you because I feel like a lot of people don't even know how to present their ideas. A lot of people don't understand how to talk to clients to seal high paying deals. And I'm very excited to show how I did it. Frankly, nobody really taught this to me. I just explored a lot of resources online and figured out a way I can present it. I'll show the exact pages here every time I'm talking about a slide so that you understand exactly how I did it and how it looks in person. Do note that the client details are going to be removed for the sake of privacy. But yeah, let's get started. The first page is the cover image of the proposal page, and this is called, marketing plan proposal for the client proposed by myself. When we do it as an agency, we should ideally put Coffee Media, but I like working on a freelancer level than an agency level since forever. So that's why it says Saheli Chatterjee. The second page should be something along the lines of, hey, client, I've put together a complete strategy and plan of action inside this proposal to make it simple and transparent for us to work together. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Best wishes, my name, and signed off. Next, there's an About Me page. An About Me page should be really, really small because no client really cares about me or you. They care about what you have done. Okay, so I have, so when I send this client, I send this proposal, I had only made like 1 million in client revenue. So right now it's over 2 million and I'm very proud to say that. I also mentioned how I have grown my own info product to 3.5 CR organically with no ads while maintaining an audience that adores you, because with the client, they wanted to create an info product of their own, and this served as huge social proof for them. And yeah, so the next page is a testimonial from another client of mine. Again, I've added only one which is relevant to this client, because I have a lot of client testimonials, but content writing clients or consultation clients or clients with various services or various products, it does not matter to this client because they want something much more specific. So I added this, and this was an international client's testimonial too. The next page is on my expertise, like what do I do well. So I have added marketing strategy, content creation, and launch management, because again, these are the things this client wants. I am also very good with general copy. I'm also very good with virtual assistants, but then those are not things I talk about because that doesn't yield me results. The client also does not really care about that, right? So that's why I have ignored that. Added a few reasons why it's my expertise. You should explain why you think you're good at this. What is the exact tangible proof that you have? So I have added this here. Usually I also used to link some pieces in these. I had not done this for this one. I don't really remember why, but I usually always link content pieces. If I have done 6-figure launches, I'll add a screenshot of that there. But for some reason, I had not done this with this proposal, and it still worked fine. Ideally, you should. But I'm not going to manipulate the proposal I sent just because I made a mistake there. But yeah, you should ideally add some results as well. Later on, the client also wanted some email marketing services. So this proposal does not have that, but even email marketing was included in the final scope of services. Now, this is the biggest pro tip I can give you. Build an actionable step plan for the client that they can literally see and understand. This is what it's like to work with Saheli. This is what it's like to work with you. So for me, it's a very simple, arrowhead representation of how we'll work. We'll think about what our core offer will be, and then we'll do market research. We'll do branding and messaging in collaboration with a branding expert. Then we'll start marketing activities with me, and then we can expect revenue. This way, the client will also not have an unreal expectation that we start today and you'll start making money tomorrow. That doesn't happen. Then the next page is my scope of work. So my scope of work includes a strategist's work primarily, and not somebody who is going to do things day to day. So I will be doing regular consultations. I'll be giving them a marketing plan. I'll build a relationship strategy for them so that they are able to sell across multiple channels. Managing the launch across various channels with their existing team. Email marketing set up for them from the scratch. Basic content should be provided, but beyond that, we add personalization and review in every piece going out. Launch materials such as presentations, story sequences, etc. Those will be done by me because I know that I'm very good with launches, so that would be handled by me end to end, and any extra assistance in launches, because launches are very extensive, and if I'm going to have a percentage of the revenue, I should be able to help as and when needed. Then next page, I have presented a nice map. Now I'll be blurring out the map because I cannot tell you exactly what we did, but basically there were a lot of dates and a lot of processes that should happen on each and every date, so that the client understands that I'm very serious and very calendar oriented when it comes to launches. That is something that gives a lot of clients pleasure, because you will be shocked at how many people are completely okay with missing deadlines again and again and again. So if you portray yourself as somebody not like that, understand what is your client's biggest pain points, okay? And yes, one of the biggest pain points is people missing their deadlines. So that is something that I vouch that will never happen if somebody works with me. So this map definitely is a game changer. If you have a specific type of service, most maps and most plans of actions will look similar, only just the date will change. The next is just a simple page on what will be the objectives of the marketing plan. There's another page on project timeline, again visually showing the client what exactly I will be doing. And this is again very important. So just adding these 2-3 pages with the visual representation of what I'll be doing gave me such much better results and better conversion rates. In the last 5 calls that I've had, I have converted them all. And before that, I lost 3 calls in 1 week. So this is definitely a game changer, these images and these visual plans of actions. And of course, it makes you look so much more professional. So highly recommend that. And yeah, I like ending by telling them, okay, the next step is this, just give me a confirmation. And then if you have any questions, let me know, and let me know when is the best date to present you a launch plan for the next 4 weeks. Now you can put your own dates, and if you're not charging a percentage, you should be writing something like, let me know of your confirmation and I'll be sending you the 50% advance invoice, if that is the way you charge. In the end, there is a quote called, the best marketing does not feel like marketing. Okay, that is a quote I personally believe in, and I like ending the PPT with a quote that reflects me the best. So that way, your proposal will not look like a cookie cutter proposal that you've just copied off the internet, and it actually has your personality. I hope that this helps you. I hope that you have been able to understand how I sent a very strong proposal to a very influential client and backed them within a day. And I hope that you will be able to do the same for yourself. And yes, I'll be linking you to this proposal in the description box, and let me know what video you want to see from me next. Till then, bye bye.